Hello and welcome to the next episode. Today we will go over the process how to open the Google Play developer account and how to release the game from the Unity on Google Play Store. What's our required step to do? Okay, let's open our browser. First of all, we're gonna look at how to actually register as a developer on the Google Play. Open browser and search Open Google Play developer account and click Google Play developer account Google support. The link to this website will be in the description, so you can go to the description and just click it. First thing, we need to sign up for the Google Play developer account. Just click this link here, and then using your Google account you need to sign up. Okay, I will sign up to your Google account, and then you will see this this form to complete. First of all, just scroll down and you need to click I agree and I am willing to associate with account registration. You can just read the Google policy and then if you agree, just tick it. Then continue to payment. Okay, and then you have to put your credit card or debit card number, and this is gonna cost you $25. This fee is only one-time payment, and once you pay you will be able to release as many games as you like, and there is no additional fees for it. I have paid for my account about 2 years ago, maybe 3, and since then I haven't paid any additional penny to Google, so I think it's worth to actually open this account. Okay, you will have to put this credit or debit card here and all of your details, and then press pay. So I will not go over this process here because I already have my account. So you can pause the video here and just complete this registration. Once you're done, you'll be able to log in on your account. Okay, let's go back to the Unity now and prepare our game for release. Let's open our project. First of all, we need to change a few things inside the game. Go to the game scene, and then inside the main camera we have this developer mode ticked. We don't want this one to be ticked anymore, as we're gonna release this game. So untick this checkbox, then go to the main menu, save the scene, go to the scripts folder and open config script. Inside the config script, right at the top, we have this directory, which is currently getting the current directory from the Windows. So we don't want to use this one. For now, we want to use the application president data path. So our data file will be placed inside our package name on the Android device. So get this bit from here and then comment this directory. Okay, make sure the directory is set to application president data path. Okay, let's save everything. Go back to the Unity. Then we need to do our project settings. Go to the menu file, then build settings. Make sure your Android is selected as the default platform. So if it's not, just pick the Android platform and then click switch platform button. Then go to the player settings, and on the right hand side we have our settings. Make sure the Android is ticked. First of all, we need to put the company name. I will put the Plan Studio. Product name, the default icon. So I believe you have this icon in. So go to the resource folder and then icon. Okay, sorry, we lost our settings. If you want to keep this window open all the time, just click this small lockpad here. And now when you go, when you go somewhere, this icon, this window will not disappear. So go to the icon folder and then drag and drop this icon over here. Okay, the icon is set. Go to the resolution and presentation tab. Okay, we can set the default orientation on our phone, how this game we want it to run. As this game will be in the landscape mode, make sure you choose one of these two options, landscape right or landscape left. It's really up to you which one you want to use. But if you use the portrait mode, the game will look ugly as it's not designed for that mode. So use one of these. I will use landscape right. Okay, go to the other settings, and then here the very important thing is, like, you have to give the package name. Usually I give these I follow the pattern like your company name or developer name, which I put Codeplan Studio. Okay, and then game name. Over here you can put your version number. So let's say if you done some update and you want to just update your game, you're just putting this to 2 or 0.1. It's really dependent, up to you. I will leave for the version 1 for now, and the bundle version is 1 in my case. We need to set the minimum API level. I will advise you to set to, I think, 26, as I recently have received an email from Google that required me to build at least for the API level 26. So I will advise you to switch this version here. And then target API level. So the target API level is the highest available API level which will be supported by this game. So I will leave it for the automatic. This is actually very important, these two settings, as if any device running lower API level, your game won't be seen in the Google Play Store, so that device will not be able to install your game. Then the configuration here, I think everything here is fine. Okay, then the publishing settings. This is actually where we're creating our key store. The key store is used to upload your game, and then later on, if you want to do some modification to your package already released on the Google Play Store, you need to have this key store. Otherwise, you won't be able to actually update your package. So this key store is guarantee, like, is a proof that this game is yours. So it's very important to keep it safe somewhere. So for this game, if you have already used already existing key store for this game, just leave this option ticked. If not, we have to create another one. So I will create the new key store and then browse key store. This is the location where I want to save it. So yeah, I will keep it here, and I will name it puzzle game key store. Okay, then we need to put the key store password. So I will put the password in and then confirm the same password. The key store alias, we need to create a new key. So the key store alias, I will put Codeplan Studio, puzzle game. The password is whichever password you like, and then you have to confirm this password. And then this is validity year. So the game will be valid for 50 years, as this is, I believe this is some their licensing requirement, that any content released on the Google Play Store is valid for 50 years. So leave it as default. Then you have to put your first and the last name, and then organization unit. I will put my name. Okay, and then organization, I will leave it Codeplan Studio, and the city, state, and the code, just fill this one with your details. And then after you're done, create key. So yes, okay. And then click again on this list. And then you have to choose this puzzle game. And now you have to put the password, the same password as you said just a minute ago. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it from this thing. So yeah, we have everything set for release. And now we have to build our APK. So go to the menu file, select build settings, make sure the Android is selected, okay, and then click build. I will save it where my project is, and just name it, just name the APK puzzle game release, okay, and then just wait until your game will be built. My build has completed, and I have my puzzle game release APK file, which in my case is 45 megabytes, so it's not that bad. is I think is quite okay. To actually make this this size a little bit smaller, in the Unity 2018 you can go to the Window, Package Manager, and you have all of your packages which is currently in turn on. So if, for example, you're not using ads or analytic library or in-app purchasing, then you can remove this package from the from your game, so the game will be much smaller. So yeah, you can even go through the built-in packages, and for example, I think I'm not using the video as well. It can be disabled as well. So if you wanna make your game a little bit smaller, you can go through it and remove the package which you are not using. I will not do it for just for now, because this is gonna be just like a test release. So yeah, we have our APK. Now we have to go to the to our Google Play console. So usually what I'm doing is I'm searching in the Google Play Developer Console, and then we have this Google Play Console Android Developers link. Just click it. I will put the link in the description if you can't find it, and then launch Play Console. Okay, you will have to log in. Okay, once you log in, you will see similar window as I have. So here are all of my games which I released. This is the one with the funny food, which is not released yet, but it will be soon. So I have created just the package to actually keep all my data in and update it whenever I have a time. In our case, we have to create application. Just create application here. Click the button. Then you have to specify the default language. I will leave it English United Kingdom. Then title. I will put the puzzle game test. Okay, and then click create. Right, once you're done, then you see this small checkboxes. All of them need to highlight on green. When they do, the game will be ready to release. But before that, we need to actually prepare some graphics and some description. So go ahead and put your title here, then the short description. This is like the summary of the game. Then the full description. You can put whatever you like here. It's really depending up to you. I will put short description, whatever you like. I just put some garbage in just for now. And then once you complete this one, you have to go scroll down, and then you have to upload some screenshots. Usually I'm just doing the screenshot from my game. So make sure you follow the guidance. Over here you have the size of the size of the picture. Just stick with it, otherwise the picture will not be displayed properly. Over here we can add the screenshots. I will put the screenshots, I will put my graphics which I prepared previously, like here, this one. Okay, you can upload maximum 8 screenshots. So the screenshots are uploading now, and then a future graphic. You have to put the future graphic. My future graphic. Then our icon. So yeah, I will select the icon which we have in our. You see, the icon is not the right resolution, so I will have to resize the file and then actually upload it again. Let's just quickly change the resolution for the icon. To do that, actually, I will use the Paint.net. I will put the link in the description to this software. It's a free software, and I really like it, because you can just drag and drop your graphic, open, and then go to the image, resize, and then you can put the size here, which is 512. I will not mind on the aspect ratio. It will be squeezed a little bit, but hopefully not too much. And then okay, and then I will save it. Okay, so go back to the store. Right, and then we can add this icon, which is 512. It's uploading now. If you have any video, you can actually fill the rest of the graphic if you like, for the Android, for the tablet, for the Android TV, and so on. If you have any promo video, like for example on the YouTube, you can put your link here to be played in the Google Play Store. Then you have to choose the application type. For my game, the category will be puzzle. Fill up your website, your email address. You can put your phone here. if you like, the private policy. For our game we don't have any private policy, so I will tick this box here and then save draft. The store listing is turned to green, that's fine. Then the content rating, we need to go to the content rating and we need to actually, alright, we need to upload the APK before. So go to the app release. Then on the production I will go to the manage. So continue, then browse file, and then I will have to browse to my APK, this puzzle game release APK, and then open. It's just uploading now. Then release name, I will put the puzzle game release. Okay, you can put some notes here. You can use different language even to actually put it. We have to wait until this puzzle game APK release will be uploaded. So yeah, my APK has uploaded now. You can see your APK here. Okay, once it's done, just click save. As you see, once you upload your APK, you will have this app release turned to green. So we need to go to the content rating now, and then click continue. Okay, let's complete this information. I will put my email address, which is the okay. Okay, and then click the game. This is the game. We have to go from here and select all the answer, which is no, 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 control substance, no, no. Well, for this one, if the game is allowed to purchase any digital good, you have to put yes here. But for my case, it's no. But if you set, you will see later, we will set the pricing for our game. If you want to make this game to be actually paid, so you have to click yes here. Just make sure you answer all of this question correctly, otherwise you will have like receive the penalty from the Google, like might be ban you from releasing this game or something like that. So never receive it, so I don't really know, but this is actually, make sure everything is filled up correctly. So save questionnaire, calculate rating, and then you have to go apply rating. So here is our target audience is for 3+ in Russia. So I think it's okay. Apply for rating. Once you've done this one, you will have this rating, content rating turned to green. Then pricing and distribution. For me, this application will be free. If you want to make it paid, you can select this paid thing here, and then you can set your pricing and so on. So I will make this application free for now, and then you have to you have all of the list of the countries which you want to release. You can actually pick whichever country you want to release or whichever you don't want to release in. So go ahead from this list and choose whatever you like. So I will just leave it as it is. Okay. Over here, the primary child directed. If you press yes, you have to actually apply to the COPPA standard, which required you to put some additional things inside the game, I believe. You can read it through if you want. I will select no here. Containing ads, no. You have to just click the last two. So make sure you read everything through and check whatever is appropriate for in your case. After you've done that, just save draft. Sorry, I made a mistake. Over here we have unavailable countries 146, so I want everything to be available. So we have this 146 countries available. Okay, and then we can save the draft. Okay, once we done that, we have this green checkbox. Okay, so now we can go to the app release. We can go to the production track. Click this manage, and then edit release. And then we have our APK here. So we can go to the review. Okay, and then you will see we can go now we can now start releasing our app. Just if you want to do that, just click start roll out to production, and then from this point on the game will be released, and I think the Google will put your game on the Google Play Store within 24 hours, I believe. It might be a little bit quicker. It depends when you actually releasing your game. This is the end of this series. If you guys enjoyed this content, just please consider subscribing and leave the like under this video. If you have any suggestions, just please leave the comments below this video. I will put some more tutorials about Unity itself, like the specific function inside the Unity. Stay tuned and see you again soon.